Imagine this for a moment. You wake up early in the morning. The world is quiet, and soft sunlight is coming through the windows. You slide the door open, and cool, fresh air fills the space around you. In front of you is an empty road, nature all around, and the freedom to go wherever you want next. Inside your camper van, everything you need is already there. A comfortable bed, a warm interior, and even a proper bathroom with a real shower. No hotel check-ins, no schedules, no stress. Just you, the road, and complete comfort. This is exactly the kind of lifestyle the new 2026 PSL 2640 is designed for. A small luxury camper van that proves you don't need a huge motorhome to travel in comfort. This is a van built for people who want freedom, but also want quality, style, and smart design. Today, we're taking a detailed look at one of the most unique small luxury camper vans of 2026. A camper van that combines compact size, premium living, a full bathroom with shower, and a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the PSL 2640 is becoming such a strong choice for modern van life. At first glance, the 2640 looks clean, modern, and confident. The exterior design is simple but elegant, with smooth lines and a premium finish that immediately feels high quality. It's not loud or flashy, but it has a strong presence on the road. The compact size makes it easy to drive through cities, park in tight spaces, and handle narrow roads without stress. This is the kind of camper van you can use every day, not just for long trips. Whether it's parked by the ocean, in the mountains, or on a city street, it always looks right at home. Driving the 2640 is where the experience really starts to feel special. The 8-speed automatic transmission makes everything smooth and relaxed. In traffic, the van feels easy and calm. On the highway, it cruises comfortably without effort. Long drives don't feel tiring, and you're not constantly thinking about gear changes or road stress. This automatic gearbox turns travel into something you genuinely enjoy, especially on long journeys where comfort really matters. As soon as you step inside, the interior welcomes you with a warm and open feeling. Light colors, soft materials, and smart lighting make the space feel bigger than it actually is. Everything feels well thought out. Nothing feels cramped or rushed. This is luxury that feels practical and comfortable, not overdone. It's a space designed to live in, not just pass through. The seating and dining area is a perfect example of smart design. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making them great for relaxing after a long drive, enjoying a meal, or even getting some work done. The table is solid and positioned perfectly, whether you're having breakfast, dinner, or using a laptop. Large windows surround the area, filling the van with natural light during the day and creating a cozy atmosphere at night. It's the kind of space where mornings feel calm and evenings feel peaceful. The kitchen area continues that same balance of compact size and real usability. You have everything you need placed exactly where it should be. A proper cooking surface, a sink with good space, storage for utensils and cookware, and a fridge that's easy to access. This kitchen isn't just for quick snacks. It's designed for real meals, whether you're cooking breakfast in the mountains or dinner by the sea. Everything feels solid, clean, and practical. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of the PSL 2640, and that's the bathroom. Having a full bathroom with a real shower in a camper van of this size is a huge advantage. The bathroom is smartly designed, with quality materials and a layout that actually works. You get proper privacy, space to move, and a shower that doesn't feel like a compromise. This feature alone changes the way you travel. You're no longer dependent on campsites or public facilities. You can stop wherever you want and still enjoy comfort and cleanliness. At the rear of the van, the sleeping area feels calm and inviting. The bed is well-sized and comfortable, designed for real rest, not just short naps. The mattress quality feels premium, and the surrounding space is quiet and relaxing. Storage around the bed is well integrated, giving you space for clothes and personal items without clutter. After a long day of driving or exploring, this is a place where you can truly relax and recharge. Lighting throughout the Trenta 640 plays a big role in how the space feels. Soft ambient lighting creates a warm mood in the evenings, while brighter lights make cooking and cleaning easy. The balance is just right. It's these small details that make the interior feel more like a luxury apartment than a typical camper van. Storage is another area where this camper van really shines. Overhead cabinets, drawers, and hidden compartments are all thoughtfully placed. You can bring everything you need for long trips and still keep the interior clean and organized. Nothing feels wasted, and nothing feels difficult to access. What truly makes the XLB Trenta 640 stand out is how well it balances everything. It's compact but luxurious, practical but comfortable, easy to drive but full of premium features. The full bathroom with shower, the smooth automatic transmission, the quality materials, and the smart layout all come together to create a camper van that feels complete. Now, I want to know what you think. Would you choose a small luxury camper van like this? Or do you prefer something larger? And what's your favorite feature of the Trenta 640? Is it the bathroom, the automatic gearbox, or the interior design? Let me know in the comments below. The Trenta 640 is perfect for people who want freedom without giving up comfort. It's for travelers who want to wake up somewhere new, explore at their own pace, and still enjoy the little luxuries that make life better. It's for people who love adventure, but also love a hot shower and a comfortable bed at the end of the day. The new 2026 XLB Trenta 640 proves that luxury doesn't need to be large. With smart design and thoughtful features, it delivers a travel experience that feels effortless and refined. Whether you're heading to the coast, the mountains, or across countries, this camper van is ready to take you there in comfort and style.